5304, Scandinavian 146.
Scandinavian 146, read that correct, and be advised I have to close shortly for work.
No problem, thank you for the ATC service.
Scandinavian 58 Alpha, the send 6000, QNH 1000, no correction, QNH is 1007.
Send 6000, QNH 1007, Scandinavian 5 Alpha.
Greenland 7821, north for the ATC available, advisory 122.8, bye bye. Greenland 781, Polaris.
Switch to Macon 122.84, Greenland 781.
Scandinavian 821, Copenhagen close, monitor advisory 122.8, bye bye.
122.8 for advisory, Scandinavian 821, have a great day.
Hit. Scandinavian 58 Alpha, you are number 1 in sequence, no other arrivals. Monitor advisory 122.8, have a wonderful night.
What's it for 5 Alpha?
58 Alpha, affirmative, I have to close for work. So 122.8, no other traffic on the airport. So you're number 1 in sequence.
Roger, thank you. Switching to Unicom.